Hi, I'm making this video in regards to the incident that recently took place on the 7th of January 2025 in Konsakhul, Lungiram, which is also known as K Lungiram. Ngasi ay na video namjabase lahan that 7 numit wathok kiba thodok aikoi Konsakhul Lungiram da anti amani yum saage haina sem saringai sida lailon khunau khunjam yamna la aga yum sa yaroi haina moi bu thingba moi bu disturb tawba anti bu harass tawbiba adugi matang da clarification pige haina ai video se semjabani. Aina thajaye mi miyamna video du uramgani tasu taramgani aduda moina kamaina builder sing bu approach tawkhibra kamaina anti bu treat tawkhibra habdu. The video itself explains and is the evidence on how they approach the woman and the builders on the spot. Let me reiterate this for you. We will burn the JCB down. Stop recording. We will kill you. And other curse words. Recently, I saw a video that was circulating online by a lady from Lailon Kunau village. I would like to say that all the allegations that she made were baseless, and also all that she blabbered about was her opinion. Now, I would like to state the facts. I know how it all started and the ground reality on this issue. Before COVID-19 came, we had already started leveling the ground on this area. COVID-19 lakringai mamangai sidagi akoi ground leveling se loi losilabne ba. And due to the COVID, we had to take a break and stop the process for a while. So we did that. Right after the COVID, we started with the process again. However, it was disturbed due to the conflict that has been going on in Manipur, and that happened. And so now finally we plan to finish the work. We did start with the work, but we were stopped by Lailon Kunau villages. Moina laaga aikoi bu yum saba yaroi haina disturb taweba. Aduda we asked them why, and they said that there is a bunker just below that land. Lamgi makha da bunker leya duna yum saba yaroi. Pukri tawni ri tawo yum law uni ri o du yum di saba yaroi haina moina haiba. But it doesn't make sense, right? It is our land and we have the every right to do whatever we want in our land. Okay, I wa mahage. Nangbu mi ama na laaga or stranger ama na laaga nangi lamda yum saba yaroi. Pukri tawo, farm tawo, adubu yum disu saba yaroi hai na nangu na haira adi nang yagera. It doesn't make sense, right? Aigi lamdi aigi hakni. Aina tawning ba tawgani? Aina yum sagira, pukri tawgira, farm tawgira. Aina tawning ba tawgani? Natra?
Yum tawwa tikpa saraga moy somla tawdu adreba irang lagi asu nabi adreba ko
nahan ipa na sulak laga anang sing hairame bunker volunteer sing levi di ko so chinu haina koi so we madu di ko du si tawba ya bakra di kra dum sing do minda ram di yum sagap kan dum
koi di thada ko si suwal le ne si koi gi mete ga kuki gi lam se anna thada ba suwal le aside di kare to piyo koi na haini ko lan loiba da wari ko ngali ko kasing di
lan loi ki do ne loi la khanda ba
adi asida na koi pangani ko kari su chapa su yaroi bangal sim su yaroi ko koi su wari yam le koi karak sida konsa da asom front line khak tak thabak se dum hon na basi ko koi gi damak di koi se palanu sine ba koi di mete ga payana samne ba
kari tawba kosa na tawba la
yes koi
ha
koi se thada wal le
tawba la ya
koi tawri ne
akoi area sin nang kana thada pra
thada ningai le te habni ne
thada nang le kari di yare ne ati kari su tawba yare
Police tomingadi metega naga gi irang lai ke na ko wapham yam lai na
akoi na hai police ki hande bi ate tawdu bi ate bayam jine hai risne bunu pui khre
police tu kari jino ba wapham ate lai ta rasida police tham ge he bi se kari no tin
ai di lo da ai na thamni ne
nang gi lo du lo ena uro ko
ai di lo
ꯂꯧꯗꯣ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯈꯣꯜꯗ
ꯂꯧꯅ ꯂꯧ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀꯣ
ꯂꯧ
ꯂꯧꯅ
ꯂꯧꯗꯤ
ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯥꯅꯦ
ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯂꯧ ꯎꯒꯦ ꯀꯨꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯒꯦ ꯀꯨꯁꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯨꯁꯤꯅꯦ
In the video, the lady also mentioned that the land belongs to Lailon Khunau, which is absurd because that land belongs to Konsakhul and that too has been acknowledged by the kuki leaders. So I think you need to first go do your homework before you false claim anything. Yes, I totally agree that auntie is currently living in Imphal, but that should not be a reason as to why she is not a resident of Lungwiram. As we all know, Imphal is the capital of the state, and we all go there for some reasons. Maybe for work, business, for education, healthcare, and other purposes. She is a resident of Lungwiram, and who are you to say she is not? And my question to you is, do you know every single citizen living in Konsakhul and Lungwiram? If yes, think again, because you failed to recognize a woman of the same place. And lastly but not the least, I would like to say that we have all the relevant documents that is pertaining to this case, and we would be more than happy to present it to you legally. And my humble request to you is, and to all of you is, please do not play with the Christianity cards. We should learn to tell the truth first. As we all know, action speaks louder than words.